Zenith Bank, Ekasun, Ekale. And to ba mo to gbọ́ Yorùbá ní Zenith Bank, ke ba mi sọ fún wọn. I don't care. I will tag you people. You people you send your marketer to me to come and market credit card to me. And I say I don't need it. You people force me, say I should take loan. I say I don't want. Okay, because I didn't take loan, you say I should take debit card. I say I don't want. You say it's good that I can use the debit card anytime I want. I've not used that debit card for once in my entire life. That debit card has been living in my purse for 1 year, 3 months. And when you now send the card to me, after you gave me the card that I don't use, I have dollar card that I use with GTB, which I don't even use. The money is just, I won't touch it. You now charge me $250. For a card I did not use, I pay. That is the experience you get when you are trying to do past yourself. Ko funny, Yomi. Or are you funny? Don't do me. Ko funny. Now, you now sent me another gbese. $130. I work hard for my money.
Lifestyle charges.
My husband give me pocket money and I manage that very well. Now you now slam me a bill of $130. You are telling me it's lifestyle changes maintenance. What am I maintaining? I walk from my house to my office 6 kilometers every day. Zenith Bank. I don't want wahala. If green, no green. Because this is daylight robbery. You now slam me $130 bill. First of all, you collected $250 for me. Now you collect $130 for me. And you're now making, I don't owe. You now put me in debit of $130. I'm not saying $130,000. $130. I know it's not up to 100K. I don't thief this money. I don't live beyond my means. I manage myself. How can you slam me $130 now? Me now. Please, yo. Hey, John, to your law. Zenith Bank. If you are my customer and you are working in Zenith Bank, talk to them. Be overwork and close your account to me. I lower me a quarry look at Mr. Yabi, Mrs. New, this name them. Hey, John, to your law and Billy Arenica for a it's better you reverse what you put there because I've been sending you people DM and I know if I go to your branch, they will tell me to calm down. They will give me juice and coke to calm down. I'm not going to calm down. I am not going to calm down. And any of you that watch this video and tell me that this girl is Raz, I am not Raz. When they remove money from your account, smile. Your Miko funny. Stop it. If you have money that bank want to remove, when they remove $130 from your account, smile and tell them, thank you, God has blessed me. But for me, $130, I'm telling you, hey Joe, reverse it. I don't want to see debit. I don't hold bank. I don't hold money. I don't borrow money. Money me felon. I'm telling you. Our money is shallow now. Zenith Bank. I have said my own. I don't want to allow. Go and remove it. I will tag all the Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank, Zenith Bank Lagos, every Zenith Bank, all the branches, I will tag them. I am really furious. What kind of daylight robbery is this? How can you rob people like that? You're not telling me to go and pay $130. If I give all my staff $130, they share it among themselves. Won't they pray for me? You now sit there in one place and be telling me that you are charging me for lifestyle changes. What kind of lifestyle?
Is that lifestyle that?
Can you imagine?
That lifestyle is it for me? Lifestyle.
Did I beg you that I need lifestyle? I walk. I have a walking shoes. I walk from my office to my house. Is that lifestyle? Like a Lexus. And you're not telling me to pay $130. $130 walking me. And it's show 2020. Oh, but when I say Kurome Laya Kala, you can't never know. You rubbish, you know.